everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and on this channel I do lots of motherhood and lifestyle videos and also cleaning and organisation. Please do excuse my little boy called Didier is sat over here, and so yeah, if you hear any baby noises, that is him. So back on topic. Today we're going to do a come shop with me and haul around a shop called Søstrene and Grene. I'm probably not saying that right. It translates into the Sisters Green in Danish, I believe. This is the logo. There aren't very many of them around the UK. So I live in Chester and I know that there is one coming to a store in Nottingham near Manchester. Obviously there's this one here which opened I think the end of 2017 or 2017 I think it opened, and that one opened in Chester. And then there's another one, there's one in Nottingham, and I'm not actually, there's loads in Ireland, there's loads obviously in Europe, but I've never really seen them before until I moved to Chester. And they basically do beautiful homeware, toys, gift wrap, gardening things along with the seasons, and it is beautiful, a beautiful shop. And they are very much like a tiger shop. If you've ever come across Flying Tiger Copenhagen, it's exactly the same kind of layout. You go in one end and you go around the shop and it's just beautiful. I think in Tiger they can have just some, like, I don't know how to describe it, but a bit more like an IKEA, where the things in this shop are more homeware based, I think, and they are beautiful. Yeah, there's lots of crafty sections, an art section, just things for everybody really, and it is beautiful. So I'm going to show you around the shop and then get on with the haul. if you've watched those clips, you can see that it's a beautiful little shop. I'm always going in there, I'm always spending my money, and my husband is just like, you need to leave that shop alone. But I absolutely adore it. Like I said before, when the seasons come around, like at the moment it's going into spring, summer, so they've brought in all the gardening things, and it is just beautiful. At Christmas, the decorations are stunning. So here's what I picked up. First of all, I bought a chair for my desk, and some little tables. One of the tables broke, unfortunately, so I have had to take that back, but we've kept the little one. So I will insert some footage of those instead of like holding up my massive chair. So yes, I'll insert some footage of that. And first up, we have this little brass box. I thought this would be lovely to put on my desk, on my to put my makeup in and things like that. It's all clear with brass little brass handle. This came in 2 sizes. This was the larger one. I think it was around £7, I think. Or like I mentioned before, it has the little odd prices. But yeah, I like that. Then I picked up, ooh, hopefully I don't break it. This little pot, like a little ceramic pot. This was £5.22 with a little rope handle. I thought this would be quite nice to just pop on your desk, keep things in. Then next up, oh, I love these. So I've bought 2 of these. They were on sale. They were like £19 down to £8, I think, each. And they were just some little bedside lamps. I thought I'm going to put them on my new bedside tables. You obviously plug them in, and it's got that lovely brass detail there. You can't quite see it when it's sat down, which is a shame. But they are lovely. It didn't come with bulbs, so we've just had to buy some off Amazon. So when they arrive, I can't wait to see how they look. I'm excited for those. Like I said, I bought 2 of those, one for each bedside table. Next up, I bought this huge frame. Now they've got a lot of different size frames and things like this. This one was, I can't remember the exact size of this, but I thought this was lovely. I actually quite like this little abstract kind of print inside, but they've got lots of things like that in the shop, and I just like the colour scheme there. I thought it's going to look nice on the wall. Like I said, they've come, we're about to decorate our home, so I can't wait to add those in. I also bought another frame. This one I haven't unwrapped yet, but I thought this would look nice somewhere. It's like a little half moon print. Obviously you can put whatever you want inside them, but for now I'm just going to leave these. So that one's unwrapped. This is a 24 by 24 frame. And then this one I have unwrapped. This one I bought a while ago, so I am cheating a bit. This one did not come in this haul, but I thought I just wanted to show you what, you know, they have to offer and things like that. So this is another frame that I bought from Søstrene and Grene. And I bought this just before the baby was born to put in his nursery, and it's a little quote from Harry Potter, and it says, "Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light." It's by Dumbledore, pretty sure. And I just liked the quote. I wanted a Harry Potter quote because I obviously grew up with Harry Potter, and I thought this would be lovely to put in my son's room, and it also went with the colour theme. But yeah, this frame, it was probably about £4, something like that. So, and I have just done a Poundland haul as well, and they've got the exact same size frames for £1. So obviously the pound shop's going to be cheaper there. But I do like that one. And then next up, I bought in, like, the toy section in this place is beautiful. They've got some lovely wooden toys. So I bought these 2. At the moment, obviously my little boy is only 4 months, but as I said, I'm moving away from this shop, and I don't know when they'll be building more around the UK, if you know what I mean. So I just wanted to stock up. So these were some lovely little wooden cars. I've only bought 2. They were £1.79. And so I've just bought this little one and this little one, and I think I'm going to go back for 2 more as well. I did go in specifically for 2 things. I saw a lovely, like the wall measurements, is that what you call it? You know, like a growth chart, that's what I wanted, a height chart. And they had some lovely sticker decal ones for the wall, and so I wanted to buy one of those for Dids. Went in and they were out of stock, and also they had this beautiful wooden stack of rainbow rings, which was gorgeous, but they were out of stock of that as well. So they're the 2 things that I went in for and they didn't have. Also, they've got some beautiful decoration bits as well. Again, this is cheating. They don't have this in stock at the moment. This was from Christmas, but it was lying about, so I just thought I would include it. It's just a little pine cone candle, part of the autumn range, and I loved that. So when I was styling my bookshelf and my coffee table, I put that on and I loved it. Next up was just this little random sphere. When I style like my bookshelves and things like that, I thought it'd be quite nice as like a decoration. I think this was about £3. Next up was this little vase. I thought this would look quite nice on like a coffee table and things like that. This was also £8.32 with like a brass gold base. I thought this was lovely. And then also I've picked up, they had these in 2 sizes as well, and they were lovely. Little cloche bell jars are they? So I like to put candles underneath, and they have flowers in them, and they design them like how you should decorate them, how you could decorate them. This was £4.12, and I think the larger one was around £6 to £8. But yeah, I thought this was lovely. It's going to look really nice on my bookcase. And then last of all, I picked up this rattan tray. It is a little bit dirty. I have just tried to sort my coffee table out, but then had to take it all apart to do this video. So this lovely rattan tray, I know rattan is very in at the moment. It's lovely made, like really well made, but that bit there is a bit dodgy. But I thought this would look lovely. I've got a round coffee table, and I thought this would be lovely on top. I can't wait to kind of style that as well. So yes, I'm very excited. So there you have it. These shops are beautiful, and I really hope that more of them pop up around the UK. As I said, I'm moving down to the Cotswolds. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they will put one near Worcester, Cheltenham or Birmingham, because they're going to be my closest ones. And let me know if you've got one coming your way. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. I would love it if you would like this video, if you did like it, and also subscribe if you would like to see more of these types of hauls. Also, I'd love it if you let me know in the comments down below what your favourite item was. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye bye.